Friday big sale coming up, right?
Correct.
Okay. And Black Friday is on... Sorry, which day is Black Friday on again?
Black Friday is next week, but I have actually already started my Black Friday, so I have the flyers and stuff. I'm running my Black Friday for 2 weeks, so it's already started. So.
Gotcha. Okay. November 28th. All right. So we have almost 10 days before the actual day. Quickly make that Instagram audience for our ad here. So let's go to the 3 lines at the very top left.
Okay, the 3 lines at the very top left. Give me one moment. Let me close out some of this stuff.
This is a vlog, guys. Hey, you guys.
This is TT. TT wasn't in the last vlog, but we go to the movies. Yours bigger than mine, TT.
I don't want that.
Dog, we could have shared it.
I don't want that.
Just bring it. Just give it. Oh, yeah? Oh, my God.
I'm like, hold that back.
Did she know you got the one?
Look what she left. You said you wanted another one?
You didn't order the small?
You paid for me.
Oh, I did pay for you. I just paid for a small. This is my fresh one. No, I wanted you to put that around me, but it's okay.
Oh. Like,
Yeah.
Oh, this is pretty.
Oh, yeah, he does a really good job.
Right, y'all. Come on, Grandma.
Do I what?
Come on, Grandma. Oh, that's a nice little stretch.
No, just text him or call him.
Oh, okay. Okay, I see the drip. Okay.
All right, thank you, ladies.
You're welcome. Yes, thank you so much. I wish I would come somewhere warm.
Oh, 7-3, huh?
It's okay. I'm just saying have a good one.
Oh, you see. Okay, so me and TC are at the movies. It's Tuesday. We only go on Tuesdays because it's $5. Because if you can't go to Belle and no Chase,
What make you go?
hold on.
No, not yet.
Theater 3. We are going to see Black and Blue.
Yeah, F.
We at F. Okay. Yeah, we late.
She just did.
Yeah. Is that smoke the grill?
She had the paint underneath. This how you want to work?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. I be forgetting to put this camera out. So yes I did. With some more.
Okay. Hanging out.
London gone, we just out and about.
Yeah, it's the movie, y'all.
Waiting on TT's friends.
My friend.
They not your friends?
They're not yours. I'm waiting our friend.
I don't know the other young lady.
Oh no, she's coming. You don't crop that part out.
Big. So, I'm headed to therapy. I'm excited because we gotta talk. Because, honey, I received an email this week that was like disturbing to me, and we need to talk about it because I need to know how to address my mother's situation. Because at this point, it's becoming too much, and it's like I'm a grown woman and she's still affecting me as an adult, and I just feel like I'm being bullied all the time, so I can't wait. Thrive works. So, good morning. I am airport. I didn't even film anything yesterday, and I really should have because I cooked some things for my
Please exit at F for international baggage claim and ground transportation.
Okay, so I didn't film any of the food. I had cooked some really good breakfast potatoes, and I'm mad that I didn't film it. But and I didn't film her brunch either. And I seen so many of my old classmates and stuff, and it was really good to be around them. But now it is Sunday, and I am headed to Detroit because I'm headed to go work. I had to check on the property. Because I did one day with the real estate. I'm gonna touch more on that. I check on the property, and we have to shoot our winter stuff for Hair by Belle Bree. And I always use my cousin who's in Detroit, but he does travel. But I typically like to do my shoots in Detroit. So yeah, I'm about to get off this train in a minute, and I'll see y'all next time.
I'm greeting them with donuts. Probably out the door. Grandparents' house is always my nanny order. Hey, Nanny.
Hey, Brittany! You late. You went to Detroit, didn't you?
No, I went to go to I had to buy some decorations.
Oh.
What y'all doing?
We around here just getting ready to do some breakfast, have some tea. You ain't getting up.
Y'all just getting up. My nanny's dog.
No outward issue.
Hey, Dad.
How you get out of Atlanta?
The credibility.
What you mean how I get out?
with these questions. And you say you're
What you mean how I get out? What happened?
All the holiday folks traveling.
whether his doctors
Hello, dog.
are being honest with him.
Okay, so I made it to Detroit. I'm currently at home because we have to build the set out. But I'm trying to see if I purchase this stuff. Do we have to assemble it? Because me is not good at assembling stuff. So the theme of the shoot is it's a winter shoot, so it's a storm is coming, so I need to get like a lot of like wintertime stuff, I guess. So we'll see. But I don't want to put nothing together. That's gonna be the thing. I need to find stuff that's already like put together. Okay, like this. Oh, you know what? I think I sent this some gear. Oh, but the set is white and silver, so that's another thing. We gotta stick to white and silver. I'm gonna go down this aisle. And I need to know the return policy because I'm returning all this shit back. Period. This is everything that I've got to get the shoot started. This is probably about to be copywritten, but I don't even care if I get copywritten at this point because I can't stop it. And I'm not getting paid for these videos yet any damn way. Alright, so this is our little winter set that we created with the stuff that I got from at home. Little quick little set. We have the Ice Princess herself. This look came together so good, y'all. Like my vision for this came together so good.